Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Anas Almaghrabi. Today I will talk about medically important nuclei. This is our agenda today. We will talk about introduction, then we will talk about the history of nucleuses, then we will talk about component of the atomic nucleuses, then the force and how the nucleuses connect together. Now we talk about introduction of nucleuses. The nucleus is the center part of atom in which the mass of the atom condenses, and most of its mass consists of positively charged protons and neutral charged neutrons to form the nucleus with a net positive charge, and the positive charge of the protons numerically equals the negative charge of electrons. So the atom is electrically neutral. Now we talk about the history of nucleuses. The nucleus was described in 1911 because of Ernest Rutherford's effort to test Thomson bomb binding model of the atom. The electron already been discovered by Thomson. Knowing that atoms are electrically neutral, Thomson postulated that there must be a positive charge as well. In his plumb binding model, Thomson suggests that an atom consists of negative electrons randomly scattered within a sphere of positive charge. Then the scientist Ernest Rutherford and his part tested, so that if the Thomson model was correct, positively charged alpha nucleus would easily pass through the slide with very little deviation in their paths. Since the slide must be electrically neutral, if negative and positive charge are mixed so closely that it appeared natural, the result was many of the particles are deflected at very large angles. He realized that Thomson model could not be correct and that alpha particle operations could only be explained if positive and negative charge were separated from each other, and that the mass of the atom was a concentrated point of positive charge. This justified the idea of a nuclear atom with a dense center of positive charge and mass. Here we talk about components of the atomic nucleus. The atomic nucleus of a tiny nucleus surrounded by moving electrons. The nucleus contains protons which have a positive charge equal in magnitude to the electron's negative charge. The nucleus may also contain neutrons which have virtually the same mass but not charge. Here we talk about the forces in nuclei. Nuclei are bound together by the residual strong force, nuclear force. The residual strong force is a minor residuum of the strong interaction which bring quarks together to form protons and neutrons. This force is much weaker between neutrons and protons because it's mostly neutralized within them. In the same way, the electromagnetic forces between natural atoms, such as van der Waals forces, that act between two entered gas atoms, are much weaker than the electromagnetic forces that hold the part of the atom together internally. For example, the forces that hold the electrons in an inert gas atom bound to its nucleus. In conclusion, I want to say thank you for listening. I hope I have explained to you correctly, even if it is a little. Any question, leave it below. Thank you.